All right, guys, we got the old bass boat dumped in, as y'all can see here, and it's really choppy and the lake is down a ton, but we're going to see if we can find any crappie, especially around like these docks and stuff.
We've got two.
We got 2 marina docks, and then looks like a pretty good drop off here. So y'all hang out with us. We're going to get some bass boat fishing done. I've got crappie gear, Sophie's got bass gear and crappie gear, so see if we can find anything here in this muddy water. So y'all kick back and hang out with us.
Wait, I have one. I have a fish.
What is it?
It's a bass.
Oh, on your mini chatterbait.
Oh, my mini chatterbait. I'm so happy. Oh, it came off.
Oh no.
Well, it's in the boat.
Oh, it's in the boat. It counts. Nice little Kentucky. That's awesome, babe.
I'm so excited. Thank you, buddy.
Oh.
Well.
Babe, I'm so proud of you. On your little chatterbait.
Oh my gosh, that felt great. I knew it. I knew it. Look at that. He messed me up.
Show y'all what we're doing. We've got our ultralights, 4-pound line down to I'm throwing a kind of a blue and white, real clear. Sophie's back there throwing her chatterbait, that micro-chatterbait around. And we're targeting just kind of behind these boat docks. The lake's a little muddy, so I may end up swapping to a little brighter color. But I figured I'd throw this minnow looking thing around a little more. What? Well,
Okay.
yeah, first cast out there with it again and got messed up. And then I missed him and it hit me in the neck. Scared me. I thought it stuck in my neck. Oh, I'm getting messed up, man. You are? Got him?
No.
Oh.
He was pecking at me, bro.
He messing with you?
Yeah. It was like,
It may be a sunfish.
oh.
Jeez, so.
I knew it was a bass that was messing me up.
Nice work. Did you get you one?
I did.
That little micro chatterbait's doing work. Another little spotted bass.
Isn't that what our tournament's going to be?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Ouch. Into the abyss. Are you okay?
I'm okay.
Did he stab you?
That was awkward for him. So sorry, buddy.
Alright.
Thank you. He's like, I ain't doing that again.
Forget that. Good catch, baby. Alright, guys. Pulling out the old hand-tied Sabiki rig. Drop shot. And I can throw 3 different colors at once, so I don't have to try to figure out what they're biting on. He went for the bottom one. Alright, lime green. Easy, easy. Not exactly what I expected to catch up here, but I'll take it. Can't get away from those little guys. What are you doing?
I'm getting bit.
You're getting bit? By flies or by fish? Can we?
Oh, you have a bass?
It's a good fish. I don't know what it is. No, but look at that.
Baby.
On the Sabiki rig, guys.
Awesome.
On the drop shot.
He wanted that.
He also went for the chartreuse one. That was incredible. Here, buddy.
Good job, man.
Ooh, nice. It is a little spotted bass. Looks like a largemouth.
His ladder line is dark.
Yeah. He's got a little tooth patch on the tongue though. Jaw doesn't go past his eyes, so it's definitely a little spot. He's got the tooth patch on his tongue and everything, so that's a keeper spot for our tournament next weekend. See you, buddy. Whoa. He jumped on right at the last second.
Is that a baby bass?
It is a baby bass. Look at him.
Oh my goodness.
That little chartreuse one tonight is doing it. He's a little bitty guy. That's hilarious. All right, little bitty guy. See ya. Oh, backflip. Little stink.
He was cute, man.
He jumped on as I was pulling it out of the water. There we go. That's a little better fish. Oh, you got one too? Doubled up.
It's okay, he's still in the boat.
Ooh, nice, babe. Doubled up.
Okay.
Ouch. Well.
Man, we keep dropping these poor fish.
Come here, buddy. Ugh. A spotted bass there. Oh, hang on. Got some. Sorry about that. Couple little spots. Be good eating for the old derby next coming up. Nice, babe. Awesome. That was crazy.
That was crazy. I was trying to see what you were doing, and then I caught one, and I was like, what? Then you didn't even hear me what I said. Bacon, get the net.
Get the net. Oh, it is a good one. Oh, nice, babe. That is the best one today, I think.
Look at that, right in the top of the mouth.
That's awesome. That little micro-chatterbait's doing it. We're gonna drop him?
He got me again! Right in the same spot.
That's a good spot. Nice, babe.
Is he good for our tournament?
Oh yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
Thank you, buddy.
That's awesome, babe. Oh, I said we was gonna end it on one more fish catch.
Oh, honey.
Look at that. The beast of the day. Oh my goodness. That is hilarious. Y'all see that little dude? I don't even know how. He's not much longer than my jig.
Oh, there's the boat.
Crazy guy.
I was getting a bit silly.
All right, guys, that's gonna do it. We're gonna end it on that last little bitty green sunfish. That was a good one to end it on. So we got to run back to the truck, and we'll catch you guys on our next adventure. Hope you enjoyed the bass boat. We'll get back on her soon. See you later.